in recent years, advocating for green, environmentally friendly, and low-carbon life production methods has gained deep popularity. In Menghai County, Xishuangbanna Dai Autonomous Prefecture, south of the colorful clouds, Yunnan, an innovative practice of PV plus characteristic industry is quietly taking root, achieving a new model of win-win sustainable ecological and economic development. From tea mountains to light mountains, from traditional agriculture to industrial integration, from single use of land to dual use of the same land, the Yunnan Manna Tea Light Complementary PV project revitalizes the traditional tea industry and lets clean energy illuminate myriad homes. Tea plants prefer shade, moisture, and diffuse light, naturally fitting with PV power generation. Efficient power generation on the panels, ecological tea planting under the panels, improving both tea quality and land value expansion, forming a closed loop of PV plus eco-agriculture, increasing income per moo and driving farmers' income growth. Under the glow of the full mountain's PV panels and tea plants, every flicker of the inverters brings not only the surging kinetic energy of new quality productive forces, but also becomes a new green engine for rural revitalization. Under the guidance of the dual carbon goals, we use concepts of synergy, innovation, exploration, and win-win to illuminate the green path of rural revitalization with the PV Plus model, using clean energy to help depict a new picture of national unity and ecological harmony.